Hey guys. Hey guys, so sorry about the voice. I'm getting a cold. I already have it. I apologize. But that's better. I sound way better. So I'm not really going to be uploading vlogs for a while. I'm just going to be doing like animations. Maybe just draw a picture and talk. Like my friend does. Because just putting the camera on me, I look sick and I look terrible. I just woke up. That's not the reason why my voice sucks though. My voice usually sounds fine. My voice actually sounds like this in the morning, but then it sounds normal. And you know, guys know my normal voice. So yeah. Anyways, I've gotten a lot of feedback from my Amen meme. So I was doing some research and that is another meme. It's the Can I Get an Amen meme, which is a really long name, but it is in the same part I did mine at. It's like the same part that, it's like the end, where it's like, just very quiet, and then it just like screams. That's what I thought. Sorry. Oh, I actually sound like myself. Yay, copying makes you sound like yourself. When I was the beginning, I sounded like I didn't even sound like Brie. But near the end, it sounded like me. So yeah, just to let you know, I'm not really going to be showing my face much. Because I look terrible, and I just don't feel it. So yeah, hope you understand. I'm not really going to talk much, actually. Because my voice sucks. Until I get over this, like, cold, then I won't talk. Like, I'll write things, like, maybe I'll use text-to-speech, because I'm lazy. But my voice sucks right now. And there is no way I'm not going to be able to cough. No way I'm going to be playing games and not cough once. I mean, I may do a live stream, but I won't talk. I'll talk a little bit. So yeah, hope you understand that I'm getting a cold. Yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.